In Pennsylvania, there's a place with 24 named waterfalls that I check out quite frequently. And it's just a perfect place to do waterfall nature photography. It's called Ricketts Glen. So we went last week and the conditions were absolutely perfect. Remember when shooting waterfalls, always try and do a longer exposure because it gives a really cool effect to the falling water. Also, remember to carry an ND filter. That way when you're, exposing your shot longer, you can block out some of the light so you're not overexposed. This is probably honestly one of the coolest places in Pennsylvania.